Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Wednesday, June 18th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my unlimited money formula and give you the 5 steps. But if you've never been to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, what if you could create unlimited income from a simple formula? Would you do it? You know, most people say yes, but then when it actually comes time to do the work necessary to achieving the goal, they don't do it for whatever reason, you know? And I don't understand it. But I can tell you that this is a 5-step formula that I use, and you can really create unlimited money with it, unlimited mailbox money. Now, before I go any further, I got to put in my earnings disclaimer and just say that I can't guarantee that you'll make any money with this with any of my opportunities, simply because it's based on your work ethic, and most people don't have a very good work ethic. All right, but I will tell you that the people who do take action, especially the ones that I work one-on-one coaching with, they get results. Okay, they get results. So step number 1 is having the proper mindset. Okay, most people think that, you know, they're going to join a program and they're going to get rich overnight, and that's just not the case in any business. All right, like I always say, the only way you're going to get rich overnight is if you hit the lottery. All right, aside from that, you got to put in the work, and you got to earn your keep. Right, you got to earn your right to earn the money. You just can't join a program and think that miraculously you're going to start making $10,000 a month. Right? You have to have the right mindset. You have to know that there's no limit to the amount of money you can make. Okay? Money isn't limited. All right? Your access to it can be limited, especially if you're just working like a 9-to-5 job. Right? Most jobs have salary caps. You're not going to be able to make more than a certain amount of money. And then you got to put in the time to get up to that top of the ladder. And, you know, there's limits to it, right? But if you know how to access money, there's never an issue with money, all right? And you can actually become financially free and have true time freedom, right? Being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want. But you have to have the right mindset. And that is, you have to believe in yourself. You have to decide on a program or opportunity or service that you're going to be offering. And you got to put in the work. You know, you have to believe and trust the process. Believe in yourself and trust the process. And understand that you're not going to get rich overnight. That it's a process. It takes time. All right. And there's no way to, you know, the time for everybody's different, right? Some people come in, they make a sale right away. Some people come in, it takes them 5 or 6 months to make their first sale. There's no way to gauge. There's too many variables to give you a definite time frame on when you're going to start being successful. But the truth of it is that if you stick with it long enough and you put in the work and you show up every day and you take massive action and you stay consistent, that over time you will have success. There's just no way around it, you not having success if you stay with it long enough, right? But most people quit and give up on themselves before they even get started. So step number 2 is having the right message. All right, you want a simple offer or a service or an opportunity for somebody, right? It doesn't have to be this intricate thing. You want to have a simple opportunity that conveys an easy message, all right? And I'm involved in the opportunity space, so I sell opportunities to people. And my message is very clear. My message is, you know, are you tired of working the 9-to-5 grind? If so, check out one of my opportunities. Right? They all can produce unlimited amount of income if you're willing to put in the work. And again, I can't guarantee you'll make any money. Most people don't, because most people don't put in the work. 98% of people in the network marketing field never make any money because they don't do the work. They give up. They jump from program to program to program to program. And believe me, I'm telling you, I know this firsthand because I did it for 10 years. So you just want a simple program with a simple message that resonates with people, you know? Step number 3 is marketing. All right, you want to do mailings. You want to mail out as often as you can. I'm going to the post office after I go to the soap shop, right? I'm mailing out more stacks of envelopes. You have to stay consistent with your mailings. If you can only mail out 100 pieces of mail a month, mail out 100 pieces a month until you start making sales. Then you reinvest some of your money. And you want to be creating content on social media. I use Facebook and YouTube simply because after Google, they're the second and third most visited websites on the planet. You have all the people that you will ever need to get in touch with on Facebook and YouTube, okay? And then when you're sending out letters to people who are looking for ways to make money, it's just a winning combination. So that's why I highly recommend you do both direct mail and social media marketing. But you have to stay consistent with your marketing, all right? You just can't say, well, this month I'm going to mail out 100 pieces of mail, and then wait for 4 months and mail out another 100 pieces of mail. You have to stay consistent. And that's what you want to do. You just have to stay consistent when it comes to marketing. And that, which leads into step number 4, which is momentum, right? In order to have the right momentum, you have to stay consistent, right? You want to follow people who are doing exactly what it is that you're having the results that you want. Right? Continue educating yourself. I'm learning stuff every single day about direct mail marketing. When you think about direct mail, it's like, oh, this is a very easy program. It's very simple concept to mail out letters and have success that way. But there's a lot that goes into it, right? I've learned so much about direct mail. It's far deeper than just mailing out letters, even though that's basically what you're doing. But there's a psychology about it. There's everything. There's a lot to it. So never stop learning. Keep your momentum going by continuously learning new things, by following people who are doing what you want or getting the results that you want. That's what you want to do. Keep the momentum going. Stay consistent. You will get results. Okay? And the final thing is, step number 5 is you want to monetize, right? You want to have something where you're earning commissions up front on the front end, and or building residual income on the back end. All right. Now, 2 of my programs do that. You get fast start commissions up front, and then you can earn or build residual income on the back end. That's what you want to do. I have another program that's a mid-ticket program where you just earn a one-time commission, but it's a bigger commission. All right. But you want to make sure that you're monetizing whatever it is that you're doing, obviously. And when you get better at doing that, when you get into direct mail more and you start having results and you start, having your own process and your own routine that you're going through, and you're getting the results that you like, and you start sharing those results, you can teach other people to do the same thing. All right. And when I first started, I didn't offer coaching or a 1-hour phone call, but now I offer those services because I have the knowledge to teach other people what it is I'm doing to get the results that I get. Right? So now, on top of the commissions I make when somebody joins my business, I am making sales on my phone consults and my coaching, my 30-day coaching program. And you can do that. And pretty soon I'm going to be offering another service as well that's going to help everybody. So you just want to always make sure that you're monetizing. You don't want to just solely thinking about the money. You want to be passionate about this, about creating mailbox money. I am truly passionate about direct mail marketing. I love it. I love marketing in general, but there's something about putting together these letters and, I just love everything about it. You have to fall in love with whatever it is you're doing and be truly passionate about it. And not only do I love doing this, I love helping other people generate mailbox money, right? There's no better feeling in the world than in helping somebody and then them writing back to you showing the results they're having, right? It's just an awesome, it's just a great feeling to know that you're it's like full circle, right? I'm helping people make money, and by helping them make money, I'm making money. So it's a win-win for everybody. So those are the 5 steps. You want to have the right mindset, have the right message, have the right marketing, have the right momentum, and you want to monetize. And that's work. And it works simply because there's no tech or hypey stuff involved. You don't have to worry about writing any sales copy. You don't have to worry about making sales videos. You don't have to worry about creating email follow-ups, because I show you how to do everything. We have systems in place. All my opportunities have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. So all I do is drive people over. So if you're looking for an opportunity or want to learn more about my coaching or my phone consults or join my newsletter, you just simply go to joinruss.com, right? Joinruss.com, and sign up for my newsletter. You'll get 10 ways to start earning mailbox money this month. It's a free PDF file I put together. And go from there. All right, go from there. But my job is to just get people over to my website. And then I have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. And that's what I teach people who join me. When you join me, you'll get a resource page with over 80 different places you can share your opportunity, any opportunity that you're a part of. 99% of those places are free. You're going to get the exact same letter template I use in my mailings, and you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me whenever you have questions or need any assistance, okay? So I hope you found value in this video, but this is my unlimited money formula. The sky's the limit when it comes to doing direct mail and working for yourself. I mean, it's truly, there's people in this industry who have made millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, okay? No joke, just using direct mail. And I show you how to use not only direct mail, but social media marketing as well. And when you put those two together, like I said, it's a winning combination. So that's it for this video. If you found value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and take action.